Well, here we are, March 27th of 2025, and we're just getting started on got all the tar paper and all the siding ripped off the ends of the house and the back of the house. And we're going to be putting new windows in the house, as well as new, of course, Tyvek and siding. And the only problem we had was this is a modular home, and they had foam, just regular, like cushion foam, stuffed in between where the two halves of the house came together. And the client was wondering why there was mold on the inside of the house in their closet. And this is on both ends of the house. Now, we did the front of the house last summer. As you can see here, it's all redone on the front here. You know. Whoa!
Sorry, did I mess up your...
And yeah, so we'll just walk to the other end of the house here. As you can see, it's the same thing down here. So a good 8 inches in, I got the full nozzle in and was able to foam this all in. And now the bedroom closet is right in about here. And they were wondering why there was mold on their clothes. And the drywall is looking kind of funky. Well, it's because of this cold air that was coming right in through this gap here. So anyhow, like I say, we've got that sprayed in now. It'll let it cure, then we'll just trim it off. This will be getting Tyvek, of course. Up there, I'm not worried about that so much. It's going right into the attic. That's fine. Yeah, so the back side of the house, again, you know, well, there's Daryl down there working away. Yep, gonna get all new windows. These are old, well, what I would call trailer windows. Put these windows in down here in the basement last fall, and they're just, they've got to be capped off on the outside yet. There's, yeah, a fair bit of work to do here. They're going to be putting the kitchen fan out, an exhaust fan out, as their kitchen doesn't have an exhaust coming to the outside, so that's going to be happening. That will be straight down, coming out right around here. And yeah, again, another basement window there. And a little deck there. I will be rebuilding that and getting it looking a little better too. Anyway, that's just what we're up to right now. And we'll be at this for a while. We got to wait for the windows to come in, and then the door to come in. And of course, we've got, well, being the end of March, we've got some nasty weather coming for a few days. So we'll have to just wait. But we're going to get Tyvek on today in order to protect the house. And then we can go from there. Well, cheers, everybody. Thanks for watching.